see that Shamu and all killer whales have a lot in common. The difference is here at SeaWorld, you get to see that power and strength up close. So close, in fact, that many of you are about to get very, very, very wet. Remember this? This is the part of the show we warned you about earlier. So I think it's fair I give you all one final splash warning. Now this splash warning not only includes the first 14 rows of seats, it also includes our promenade level. So that means for those who are moving from your seat, the lower level right now, to hide behind that railing up there to escape getting wet, you better guess again. Because we're about to bring out another member of our Shamu family. And he just happens to be the largest killer whale in any marine life park in the world. Now, just to put that size into perspective, the largest killer whales we've seen here today, they weigh about 5,000 pounds. Now the next whale we're about to bring out, he is over 22 feet in length, and he weighs in at over 12,000 pounds. That's right, folks. He's over twice their size. So believe me when I say he's extremely capable of splashing this ice cold 52-degree salt water up over that glass and right into all of your laps. Now, I'm not seeing many of you moving, but for those of you who are, please be careful as you make your way up our aisles. And for those of you still seeing our soap zone, I need to make myself just a little bit more clear. How about everybody sitting here right in the center? You have fantastic seats because you are all going to get wet. And how about everybody on this side saying, how are you folks doing today? All right, well, I hope you all brought a change of clothes because you are going to get soaked. But don't worry, because that's nothing compared to everyone who thought it was a great idea to sit right over there. Everyone over here, give me a great big wave. You're all waving bye-bye. You folks just might drown. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please take this splash warning very seriously. If you do not want to get wet, have any expensive camera equipment, or maybe a small child you've recently grown fond of,
around the globe appreciate and understand shampoo and place it one of the world's killer whales. But your experience doesn't happen in a day. Join us online at www.shampoo.com. From anywhere in the world, you can join the adventure. It's easy and it's fun. We'll be updating the website with new pictures and highlights of today's show. So be sure to keep in touch. I know I will. Thanks for joining us. See you later, everyone.
On behalf of Shampoo, I'd like to thank you all for joining us for our show today. You've been a wonderful audience. Have a wonderful day here at SeaWorld Adventure Park, Orlando. Goodbye, everybody.
I know, I would love for you just to jump in. It's like, come on, man. Amazing, isn't it?
That's the mama one or the papa one. That's a papa one, no? That's a papa one.
Look up there.
Papa one. Papa. This one.
I've not been looking at your whale.
Me too. I'll be looking at the wheel.
I'm Dr. Michael Channing, Chairman of the Imagination Institute. Hello! On your tour, you'll see how the 5 human senses can help capture your imagination.
Oh, can I go too?
Absolutely not. This is one of my discoveries, the figment of imagination.
Yeah, I know all about the senses. There's sight, sound, smell, touch, coochie coochie coo, and taste. Tastes like chicken. Can I go? Please, please, please.
No, I don't want you out of my sight.
Out of sight? Okay. Come on, everybody. Here we go.
Figment, you are not to interfere with the tour. Our first stop is the Sound Lab. We'll begin by testing your hearing with a series of tones. Left ear, right ear. Left, right. What? This is odd. Hello?
Hello.
Who is this?
It's Figment.
Figment? I thought I told you not to interfere.
But you've got it wrong, Doc. It's not about listening with your ears. It's about listening with your imagination.
Now I've completely lost my train of thought.
No, you haven't. It's over here. All aboard. Woo-hoo! Next stop, imagination. For every sound your ears are hearing, 1,000 thoughts can start appearing, and each of us imagines different things from just a sound. Your mind has wings.
Continuing now, if I may, in a calm, scientific, figment-free manner, the things we see with our eyes can control the eyes of the imagination. Let's begin by using the eye chart to test your vision. Now, all together, if you would please read line 3 and hit.
With F-I-G-M-E-N-T, you can see things differently. Sure, you can see with your eyes, but imagine what you could see if you used your imagination. Follow the bouncing figment. One spark of light can light your fancy. Your mind sees more than what your eyes see. Your sense of sight can make your fancy fly. Then what you find, then you feel.
I say imagination must be captured and controlled.
Nuh-uh. Imagination works best when it's set free. Just turn your imagination loose and anything can happen.
Figment? Figment? Oh, he's gone. Our research shows that smells often trigger the imagination, especially when pleasant, familiar smells come into play.
Come into play? I'd love to.
Figment, this is not a good time.
It's always a good time to use your imagination, so let the good times roll! Woohoo! You win 1 cent!
Oh, yeah, that really stinks.
Of course, Doc. The nose knows. One awful whiff can set you reeling. One lovely sniff can be appealing. Your mind can find what interests your nose. That's how you tell something's not a rose.
You know, I'm sorry, but after that big stink in the smell lab, I hesitate to send you into the touch and taste labs. Perhaps I should end my open house right here.
Great idea! We'll go to my open house instead. It's much more fun. Right this way, everybody.
But what is going on? You're turning this entire open house upside down.
Upside down? Now you're talking. That's the best idea you've had all day. With just a spark of inspiration, I've made my house an innovation. Imagination really clowns around. Things come side up and upside down. Now here's a real open house. Come on in. So what do you think? Is it neat?
More than you can imagine.
But Doc, it's exactly what I imagined. Imagination is the brain's open house.
Of course. Imagination is just turning your thinking upside down. Come on, Figment. It's time to get back to the Institute.
I know a shortcut.
Well, if you can't beat them, join them. We all have sparks.
Imagination. That's how our minds create creations.
We set them free and know what they can do. Those magic sparks from me and you.
You see, Doc, I knew you'd get it, because you got a wonderful imagination.
I do? Oh, yes. Well, thank you, Figment. And so, as you can plainly see, imagination works the best when it's set free.
You said it, Doc. Imagination is a blast. Imagination, a dream come true. With just a spark from me and you.
Of inspiration is at the heart of all creation, right at the start. And now we invite you to set your imaginations free in the image works.
Now wait till your quickest. And just one more touch of a button is going to transfer Janice's picture from the camera it's you! Oh, give them a big wave and they see your wall.
It is you! Maria Wainsel, hey, thanks for sending us your picture!
Thank you, gentlemen. Janice, Inventor of the Year, high five! Woo! So you see how easy it is to take great digital pictures and share them with your friends and family. All you need is a little imagination. And speaking of genius, give Janice another huge round of applause.
And to share a story, an amazing story, as old as time itself, but still being written. And though each of us has our own individual stories to tell, a true adventure emerges when we bring them all together as one. I hope you enjoyed our story tonight. Reflections of Earth.
Okay, oh yeah, it's like that.
family thanks you for having been with us for Illuminations, Reflections of Earth. We hope that your visit to the Walt Disney World Resort has been a truly magical gathering for you and yours. We wish you a pleasant evening and a safe journey home. Thank you and good night.
And then when he comes down, kind of
We just experienced a slight tremor. There is no danger, please.
If you are not standing in line for Madagascar, we ask that you please go on the other side of the vehicle at this time.
I was born
You guys, they are going to be right here, so you might want to move.
68 years ago.
So they're going to be right here, so you might want to move, yeah.
And I remember
There you
things
go.
changed a lot. In those days, it
All right,
wasn't
you guys,
just
make sure you're walking around the vehicle at this time.
It wasn't all about money and who's got the latest creed and what beads are you wearing and who's got
Come
the
on,
latest
boys.
back, you know.
Hey, you guys, you're going to need to stand out of the way. We got a penguin crossing going on.
Jungle boogie, you know.
There you go.
Jungle boogie. Jungle boogie.
The first one, this is Private. He's the little cute one, but he's fabulous. They're going to be standing right here, sir. You might want to move out of the way. Come right here, sweet. Come closer. Come closer. And then Rico is a tall one. We got Kowalski. We don't know what he does. We just say he's cute. Lion! All right, real quick, this is how it works. They do not sign, but we have a stamp at the exit, which is by Skipper. So go ahead and take your pictures, and they will exit you right out that way. We have a Kodak person here. She'll take a picture for you. You look at me, por favor. All the way over.
You're right for me. All the way over.
You didn't even get one.
Wait. Come on, Googie, come. Do. Alright. Jump? Yeah. Day 6, by the way. Wet. Oh yeah, it's the only day which one that's got his toes wet.
You're joking on me. I ain't done that slide at once in him.
You think goes on something from it?
Huh?
You think you want something from it?
No, that. I went I ain't got most of things.
12 minutes.
If somebody bet me £20 I bought something for it, I would have done.
£20. Hit it, hit it.
That's £20 gold.
Right, you got to hit it.
You know what?
You got to hit it. That are a good shot.
I think this bat's a bit too big, isn't it? Oh. Not that one. Oh.
Pretty cool. That's good. This is my bag. That's videoing, by the way, look. If you didn't already know. Good shot. Dad, how long have you been filming for? That's alright. What? Right, what passage can you use then? You were gonna stand for sports again? But I'm going to need to run them. I'm gonna come over here with you. Yeah, let's sit in 6. Yeah. Yeah, good shot, Dad. Having the big leads. Just coffee.
What?
Coffee.
Coffee? Yeah.
Cup of tea.
Are you making a cup of
I'm making
coffee?
a cup of coffee, George, yeah.
Yes, I will do, yeah.
Right, okay.
Why am I not going anywhere? Look.
Stop down. What a good shot.
I don't know. I just think
That one. Come on, let's do the show. Should we just count it? Oh, yes.
Put one leg on it.
No. My shield.
No, you can't do it that way.
Jump on the line.
Stand on the steps, George.
Yeah, I'm double.
Stand on the steps and then put one
Then
leg
it's got to go
on.
through over that. So. Leave it on. It's got to go over that.
No, he's going to try and get on that ladder.
Just sit on it. He's using his man.
Oh.
Yes. Hey, you're cheating. I know, but I've got Grandad in my side. In my side, even. Got shield protection.
Oh, sorry, George. Sorry, George.
That just says mine now. I want to throw it at Grandad.
He's using your grandmother as a shield.
Go on there. Not near the steps. How many times have I said that? Go on there.
You go.
Go on, Grandad, put it again.
Yeah, George.
Grandad,
Go on, put that
you and Dad have again. You and my dad.
Grandma's playing that too.
Oh!
Come on, you play ball.
You're not supposed to leave me with the ball. Woo! You can leave it. Put it in.
Go. Definitely will go.
Go. Definitely go. Move that. Bum. What's that? Move that. Do that. That's what's going to
According to that leaflet, Martin, you respect your magic, don't they?
Again.
According to that leaflet that I picked up yesterday, did you respect your magic?
Oh. Yeah. You saw me on it weekend.
What's
Friday,
that?
Saturday night. The
Friday
lesson
and
I
Saturday night, is it?
Yeah.
Right.
Gone during the week.
Did you ride a stop to that?
What? Stop what?
It's on tonight, that's spectrum magic.
my ball.
Jordan.
No, there's one on top.